Hi and good morning. We are from Group 13. I'm here today to present our system website, UTeMove. Allow me to first introduce myself and my team member first. I am Nik Nurlyana and alongside me are Sufiana Adlin and Vabishah. Together, we are work on the development of this system report. First, introduction. What is UTeMove? So, what exactly is UTeMove? It is an advanced tracking system designed to provide real-time update on bus arrival and live bus location. This system allows students to efficiently locate bus, plan trip, and ensure timely and smooth campus transportation. In short, is a live tracking system specific for bus operating within UTeM. Next, we pass presentation over to Sufiana, who will explain our problem statement.
Hi, my name is Sufiana Adlin. So I will continue with the problem statement. First is problem statement that we are found before decided to making a website for UTeMove. So firstly is lack of real bus tracking system. Means that students are unsure where the campus buses are located. So secondly is inefficient trip planning for students. Students find it challenging or to effectively plan their travels when there are no current timetables or trustworthy route information available. Next and lastly is limited communication and notification on bus delay or schedule challenge. Means that students cannot now be informed of bus schedule changes. They doesn't know where the bus is. So next, I will continue with the objective. So for the objective, for a web-based tracking and notification system like UTeMove, aim to improving transportation for UTeM students. The following objectives are: the first one is improve the experience and convenience of students. Make campus transformation more dependable and convenient for students by giving them real-time access to bus or shuttle location, arrival time, and road update. Secondly, is gather information to support ongoing improvement. Compile information on usage trends, busy periods, and the most popular routes to adjust timetables and route for a better suits the need of student. Lastly is improve transformation efficiency. Optimize bus route and schedule based on real-time and data, ensuring that resources are utilized effectively and meeting student demands. Next, I will pass to Vabishah.
Good day, madam. So next I will be presenting about scope user and scope module. This transportation management system is meant to promote efficiency, safety, and communication between students, drivers, and staff. So the three main modules are student support and feedback, which enables students to report problems, offer feedback, and request help. Route and schedule management, which enables staff to dynamically update schedules and routes in real time for special events or peak periods. And lastly, for user management, which utilizes role-based permissions to ensure secure access. So the next I'll be explaining about scope user. This system has three primary user groups, which are students who benefit from real-time bus tracking and scheduling to better plan their trips. Next will be drivers who log in using devices for identity verification and trip management. And lastly will be staff who are responsible for maintaining, updating, and monitoring system data to ensure seamless operations. And next I will be next I will be pass it to Yana. Thank you.
Next, I will continue with the EERD. ERD, as you can see, we use ERD module, which is Crowfoot. As you can see, the Crowfoot, the one person can be both staff and student. A person can have role as both a staff and student simultaneously. And next is each staff is associated with a specific department and role. And each student is notified regarding transportation status updates. And next is a driver is responsible for driving one or more buses. Each bus is associated with one or more routes. Each route is linked to multiple bus stops, and each bus has designated location and capacity. Each bus has a designated location and capacity. And lastly is driver must have a valid license, current status, and assigned shift. Next, I will pass to Vanisha.
Next, I'll be presenting about fact finding. Based on the fact finding we have made, we had made three types of fact finding, which is observation, interview, and questionnaire. So I'll be explaining about observation and interview. Our fact finding revealed that there were many issues based on the observation and interview we have made. Students often experience long waits and late buses due to the wrong schedule time. There is also lack of real-time information about bus locations and availability. Many students struggle to plan their trips effectively, especially during peak times. This interview confirmed that students wanted a real-time tracking system so badly that based on our observation, these improvements would make commuting easier, reduce frustration from the students, and it also can improve time management. This can also help students manage their time better. And lastly, a more efficient system would also improve the overall experience for everyone. That's all from me. Thank you. And next, I will pass it to Yana.
Okay, next I will share about the last fact finding we used to collect the data. It is a questionnaire. To collect the data, we conduct a survey using a Google form and receive response from 102 participants. The survey was divided into two sections. Section 1 is focused on demographic details such as age, faculty, and gender. And Section 2 is contain 6 questions to gauge how students feel about the proposed system and the current challenge regarding bus scheduler and location at UTeM. Based on the response, it was clear that the majority of participants expressed strong interest and support for the development of the system. It highlights the significant demand for a platform that could provide real-time bus tracking and scheduler information. So next, I will move on to the database selection. The database DBMS selection, we choose the relational database management system. This is because it allows us to efficiently manage data by utilizing attributes from our ERD. We implement the DBMS by creating tables based on our data structure and relationship. For example, I will show our Oracle. It is one of our codings that, okay, for your information too, in relation database management system, we only do a create, drop, and alter. I will show the code of the example of the creates. So I will create the table router. So it will table creates. For next, I will show you one of example of the code of drop. Drop to remove any table or unnecessary element. This database will remove from your oracles. So this is one example: drop table bus, consider constraint, and will pop up table drops. For the alter is for modify table structure when necessary. Alter can do add, modify, and rename. So if you see this, we can add phone number. This will add some row in this, some column in this table person. Also, we can modify the varchar or data types. And also we can rename the table of student to pelajar. So basically, drop this database structure ensure that our system operates seamlessly by maintaining the accuracy and consistency of the data. So next conclusion, I will pass to Sufiana to end this.
I will conclude the project, which is UTeMove Track Life. So the conclusion that we can make is UTeMove aims to deliver reliable, efficiency, and user-friendly transportation for all UTeM stakeholders, and also add more feature in the system such as feedback feature for students via the platform, and hope it really helpful and for all the users, including the lecturer and student. That's all from us. Thank you.